Hey guys, Justin here. I'm in Hung Hom right now, back with this good old intro. I've done so many of this intro before and back, so let's do it. Now I'm actually walking inside Hung Hom Station, not really inside there yet because now last year when TransWa line opens, I've done a 2021 edition of walking around Hung Hom. We'll do a quick walk today as well. This is the 2022 edition before we go across the harbor. Back across the harbor, this is where the good old section is. This is how I always goes in to the old platform for Israel line. It's this way, and it is now blocked off, of course. So that's why we're here to check it out. I really missed this section. This is where the good old Hung Hom Station, if you goes in, you go to the old platform. Now the old platform is shut down for over a year now, so this is how it is. Very lonely because this is where I always go through to the old platform. Now the new Israel line platform will be under the TransWa line platform, which I have taken TransWa line last year. This year we'll take Israel line extension. And onto the outside here, this is actually where there are ticket vending machines, and also there are add-on machines here for your octopus card. I prefer they keep it, but they have removed it, which is pretty sad. And this is the other side of the entrance. You've seen the outside, and this is the other side of it, which they have also shut it off, of course. This entrance usually has so many people using it to take the Israel line. Now the Israel line is moved over to the new platform. Let's head up to the concourse now of the train station. Not train station, we call it MTR station now. And made it up to Hung Hom Station. This is the old spot where the gates are, because this is where you enter the old platform. So that's why they usually have gates here, but they have removed it, and they moved it to the front already because that's where all of the platforms are. And here it is, Admiralty, Israel line. Originally, Israel line terminates here at Hung Hom. Now they have extended extra 2 stations across to Admiralty, which is the biggest station in Hong Kong right now with 4 lines. Let's walk over and we'll enter station. Now if you guys want to know more about the good old Hung Hom at 2021, I have filmed the 2021 edition. Click on the card up top for that video. Now let's do Hung Hom to Admiralty. Alright, down to the platform. After walking around the station, now let's take to Admiralty. Our train's arriving. We'll take 2 stations down to Admiralty. That's a lot of people taking. This time we're not going to get off at Exhibition Center. We'll take to Admiralty. Still feel weird that no more MRRs. That's unfortunate. Oh, 37. Okay. 37 and 39. Okay. I just took 40 and 42. We get on at car 5 here. M38. Not M38 for car 5. Is P038. Alright, here we go. Take to Admiralty. Next station, Exhibition Center.
Next station, Exhibition Center.
Exhibition Center. Now for Admiralty, 3 lines for you to change, so 4 lines in total. We'll arrive at platform 8 later on. That's the highest number that we have in Hong Kong right now for platforms. Now let's see whether or not when I get off there are staffs on the platform. If there's staff on the platform, I might not be able to film the train enter. But unfortunately I didn't choose the first car, that's stupid of me. Later on when I film, I gotta do the last car, then I can actually give you guys the train entering from the turnback sidings. Now, most of the people will be getting off at Admiralty, so that's why. Now, actually, to be honest, Exhibition Center is not really that useful a station. There's not too many things around, except for the Exhibition Center, of course, and also the Wan Chai Ferry Harbor Pier. And now there is a bus interchange, which is also very good to connect with the main paths of Hong Kong Island. They don't really give you the map up there. It's electronic panels. Okay, doors open on the left. Arrived at Exhibition Center Station. That's actually a lot of people getting on actually. Because still there are people going to Admiralty to change trains, so that's why. And also like school here apparently. Now in Hong Kong, every single station on the ground, there are ads. But these ads, they are not moving. They're just stable ads, like stationary ads. They're not like, not video ads. They're just there. And some are videos, but all of them are...
Next station, Admiralty. Interchange station for the Island Line, TransWa Line, and South Island Line. Doors will open on the right.
That's a lot of lines.
金鐘呢個係東鐵線嘅尾站。金鐘，這是東鐵線的終點站。Admiralty, end of the East Rail Line. 多謝乘搭港鐵。謝謝乘搭港鐵。
And Admiralty.
Thanks for traveling on the MTR. 請所有乘客落車。請所有乘客下車。
Please exit from the train. This train needs to go to turnback siding, so that's why you need to get off and clear the train. This is the biggest station of Hong Kong, Admiralty. Admiralty. And apparently they still use the freaking KCR announcements here. This is so funny. 到达终点站，请所有乘客请离开车厢。And it's at this station. This is the train. Thank you. Electronic panels. There are staff actually checking on the stuff. But there's still a lot of people walking around. Alright, let's send the train out. Now East Rail Line doesn't have any stations that actually needs to clear the stuff, so that's why this is my first experience. You enter platform, I mean the turn-back siding, so exit from the front. First experience. So, I mean East Rail Line extension, there you guys have it. This is the old part of the station, not really old. Down there is South Island Line, goes to Ocean Park area. Go to Ocean Park. This is the way we're gonna take back very soon. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe. Click the bell so that you get notifications when I post. Check out the links in the description down below for my other channels and my Instagram. Click on these videos up top, and peace.